What's good, everybody? It's Z from The Mask, and I have an absolute treat for you guys today. We've been working on a new trading algorithm recently, one that is massively improved compared to the Hunter that we've been using before. This one is available for way more pairs. We currently have it running on 12 different pairs. It is way more profitable. It is way more reliable. Everything that you guys know and like about the Hunter bot is essentially 5 to 10 times better with this new algorithm. We haven't found a proper name for it yet. For now, we are naming it the Invictus engine or the Invictus algorithm. It is a part of our new project, Osiris Quant. As you might know, parts of the previous Osiris ecosystems were shut down to make room for this new project. It is way bigger, way better than anything you guys have ever seen before. And this Invictus engine is part of what makes this project so great. If you're looking at the balance and equity, also the open positions right now, you'll be able to see that we are floating not only about $6,000 of profit, but that the balance on this test account is saying about 135,000. Yesterday, it was 100,000. Okay? Within 2 days, it was able to turn 100,000 into $134,834 in 2 days. And that is not factoring in that it's floating another $5,700 in profit. I'm going to go over this exact algorithm and its results with you here. So we're going to go through the history. You can see all the SLs and TPs. You'll be able to see, if you're familiar with the Hunter bot, that there is no manual closes here. This bot, this algorithm, is designed to be at peak efficiency, just trading full stop losses and full take profits. This means you never have to worry about execution, which fixes a massive problem that a lot of you guys have had with the Hunter bot. The problem with the Hunter bot is that it is actually a scalping bot designed for late night operation. It's designed to operate around 10 to midnight my time, which is the last hour of New York and the first hour into Tokyo. It's kind of that session overlap. This algorithm has not only better performance, significantly better. If I go through it here for a little bit while I talk, it not only has significantly better performance, it has that performance around the clock, okay? It has that performance constantly, 24 hours of the day. It does trade cryptocurrencies as well. Sometimes it trades ETH USD and Bitcoin USD, which allows this to actually trade for you 24/7 with this level of success, which is incredible. Most of it is currencies and indices and commodities. So you'll be trading gold and NAS 100, US 30. You'll be trading, USD CAD, USD CHF, maybe Euro USD, GBP USD, stuff like that, right? Some JPY pairs like GJ and EJ. But it's such a versatile algorithm, and it is so much more improved than the Hunter bot. We've been working on this for a little over a month now, and the result is already fantastic. Like I said, within 2 days, this algorithm was able to turn 100,000 into 135,000 with another 5,000 floating, with just 1% risk per trade, okay? You would not be able to get this performance from the Hunter with 5% risk per trade in that short of a time frame. So I need you guys to understand just how incredible this new algorithm is that we've been working on. This is no longer just a solo project, okay? We have a full development team on this, a team of professional developers led by an incredibly experienced trader and developer himself. And if you need to know more, he is actually the guy that mentored me in trading, that got me into trading over 5 years ago at this point. So anything you've ever learned from me or my videos or my content, you have learned from him. You have learned from the developer of this algorithm. So if you guys want access to this algorithm, you can do so at osirisquant.com/autopilot. That is where you will be given access to the full version of this algorithm and its capabilities. that means you too will be able to see returns like this. Our autopilot program is designed to fully automate your trading. It is a one-time setup where you simply connect a MetaTrader account of any broker, okay? Any broker around the world that offers you MetaTrader 4 or 5. You can connect to our system, and with autopilot, your profits will be completely automated. Again, I'm going to go through the history here a little bit while I explain some more things about the algorithm. Not only is it more versatile than the Hunter, again, it trades on 12 pairs. As of right now, we are working on adding many, many more pairs. We are targeting about 20 to 25 different pairs in the future. So you'll have a massive range of choice to be able to see and decide which pairs you want it to trade for you. It has about 6 to 10 times the average RR that the HunterBot had. The HunterBot actually had a negative RR, and this one has an average RR of about 3.5, which is incredibly good. This has a much higher profit factor, about 3 times as high actually currently, but that number is still going up because it's just so profitable. Again, it can trade for way longer, not just a 2-hour window. This bot, this algorithm, it can trade for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're not limited to that time window. You don't need a VPS for this because, again, you are connected to our servers. You are connected to Osiris Quant's own trading platform, meaning you don't have to pay for a VPS. You don't have to set up a VPS and go through that hassle. We do all of that for you to make sure your automation goes well. And the main thing is it's just so available. The Hunter was only really profitable on one broker, and that was Fusion Markets. This is profitable on over 500 brokers worldwide. So if you can get a prop firm account that offers MetaTrader, like FTMO, if you can get your private account that has MetaTrader, you can connect it. Regardless of the broker, regardless of your location, you will be able to automate with this algorithm, and you will be able to see these insane results for yourself. You will be able to profit completely automatically without having to do a single thing once you are done with the setup. The setup is incredibly simple too. It's not going to take very long. It's like a 10-minute setup, realistically. It does not take long at all. You simply just connect your MetaTrader account, and then all you have to do is tell us how much our system is allowed to do with your account. Once you've told our algorithm how much it's allowed to risk with your account, what your targets are supposed to be, what your drawdown limits are, all of that stuff. Once you've told our servers, our algorithm, what you want from us, everything after that is automated. You'll get an easy to read dashboard like you'll likely be used to from your broker or even a prop firm, where you get all the data like your daily loss and gain, your drawdown, profit factor, everything. Your open positions, all of it. You'll get an equity curve. It'll all be there on a separate dashboard, ready for you to see whenever you want to look at it. Osiris Quant will be the next big thing, and I guarantee you guys that. There has never been anything like this in the trading space. And if you join now, again, at osirisquant.com/autopilot, you will be among the first to get the best access, the widest range of features, to the newest and greatest thing that has ever happened in the trading space.